Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a super healthy, gluten-free and vegan chocolate chip cookies. These cookies are nut-free, gluten-free, grain-free, dairy-free, naturally sweetened and super easy to make. They're super crispy and a perfect healthy snack for the whole family. So let's get started with the recipe. The main ingredient is buckwheat flour, also known as Kuttu Atta. Buckwheat is not a cereal grain and does not contain wheat. It's actually a fruit seed and a healthy grain substitute for those who are sensitive to grains with gluten. I bought this Kutuka atta locally. I'm also using crushed jaggery. You can also use jaggery powder, liquid jaggery or maple syrup. Into a bowl add in 1/3 cup virgin coconut oil, or you can use wood pressed coconut oil. Both has a very neutral and mild flavor and taste, and hence you won't actually feel that coconutty flavor in the cookies. Now into that I'm adding in half cup jaggery powder, 1 teaspoon vanilla essence, and I'm using my hand blender to blend the jaggery and oil. But as you can see, it doesn't mix well, or rather the jaggery is not incorporating into the oil. Now into a small bowl add in 2 tablespoon water, half tablespoon apple cider vinegar, half teaspoon baking soda. Now notice that the baking soda is bubbling almost immediately. This shows that the baking soda is fresh, and guys, do try to use good quality baking soda. Buying links will be updated below this video. Add this into the jaggery and oil mix and blend it again, and within seconds the jaggery and oil incorporate really well. Well, cooking is science, isn't it? Into this add in 1 cup buckwheat flour, add in half cup chocolate chips. I prefer to add the chips over the buckwheat flour so that I can lightly mix the chocolate chips into the flour. This will help the chocolate chips to disperse evenly while it is being baked and prevents the chocolate chips from sinking down. Mix everything well with a spoon. Now this is the consistency of the batter, and at this moment I am preheating my oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Take 1 tablespoon of the cookie dough and place it on the baking tray lined with parchment paper or baking mat. Lightly flatten it with the spoon and bake it in the preheated oven for about 6 to 7 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. The cookies will slightly spread out and will be super crispy and crunchy. Once baked, allow them to cool down on the pan itself, and once completely cooled, you can store it in an airtight glass container. Crispy, crunchy, gluten-free buckwheat cookies are ready to serve. These cookies will stay good for up to a month and an ideal snack for the whole family, especially for those who are sensitive to gluten. So guys, do try these healthy buckwheat cookies and let me know how it turned out. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video with family and friends. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.